స్టాయికోమెట్రీ. ఈ స్టాయికోమెట్రీ అనేది మనకు ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఇన్ జూనియర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్. ఇట్ వాస్ గివెన్ ఇన్ అవర్ సిలబస్. In public examination point of view, we are going to get 1 4 marks questions and 1 2 marks questions from this topic. But in competitive examinations, it is most important because it influences 1/3 of the syllabus in the chemistry in competitive examinations. You may not avoid this, but it is little bit confusing, little bit complicated. If you confuse, it will confuse you, but if you carefully observe my lessons, you are definitely be a master in chemistry. Because here most of the students who are phobia about chemistry only because of this topic. If you are able to do or follow my lectures belonging to this chapter, it's a cakewalk for you chemistry in your competitive examinations. Now in this present topic in our syllabus there are some subtopics. Here they are. One is mole concept, most important, and the students will feel it difficult, but it is very easy if you properly follow this. Then stoichiometric calculations. Stoichiometric calculations means calculation showing the relationship between the masses of the substance that were involved in the reactants and products. So the studying the quantitative relationship in the reactants and products in a chemical reaction is said to be stoichiometry. So that study is another important thing. Here one more thing is you should learn the formulas and symbols of the elements. This is also very easy. If you follow my lectures, you will easily go through it, but you have to spare some time patiently. So that way, in the name of language of chemistry, here I am going to give 2 or 3 lectures on this. You can easily remember the formula of different compounds. In detail, I will explain you in the videos. And third one is redox reactions. Redox reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions, and in detail I am going to explain you in a separate video. And fourth one is expression of concentration. Concentration. This is very important. Expression of concentration is very important because in senior inter also we are going to get this chapter. So it is part and parcel of mole concept. Then empirical and molecular formulas. Empirical and molecular formulas, these are the sub parts in this stoichiometric topic. This is, you can avoid this in IPA examinations simply by learning redox reactions, because frequently we are going to get the questions from that topic only, 4 marks question from that or from empirical and molecular formula. But in the competitive examinations, if you are trying for a rank in IIT JEE or NEET, this is the most important topic of all chemistry. If you learn this topic properly, you will answer 1/3 syllabus, because it is interrelated with so many topics, particularly for physical chemistry. In both senior inter and junior inter, you will have so many physical topics, acids and bases, solutions, electrochemistry, kinetics. So in all those topics, this topic is interrelated. This is the soul of whole physical chemistry. So if you concentrate properly or go through these lectures once or twice or thrice, it will be very easy topic. It's a cakewalk for you to get or crack any competitive examinations. Particularly in the language of chemistry, will make you to learn how to write a formula of a compound. Mole concept will give you how analytically the substances are interrelated and how they are reacting and how much and what much they are reacting with each other can be done by that topic. So in detail we are going to discuss all these topics in a sequence manner. Thank you.